Good Saturday morning to you, meteorologist Vanessa Alonso here in the First Alert Forecast Center with a weather update of what we can expect today from Delta. It is now a tropical storm, so it has weakened during the overnight hours since it's now more inland. Now with winds at 40 miles per hour, moving to the north-northeast at 16. But we are still going to be feeling the impacts from this storm as we head into our Saturday. The main threat will be some gusty winds, some heavy rainfall, and unfortunately we cannot rule out the chance of maybe seeing a quick isolated spin-up tornado, which are going to be weak and brief, but still something that we're going to be watching very closely, especially heading into late morning and into the afternoon. We're also still dealing again with gusty winds and heavy rain. Wind advisories are in effect for parts of the WCBI viewing area through 1 p.m. this afternoon, and a flash flood watch remains in effect from areas along and north of Highway 82 through 7 a.m. due to the amounts of rain that we could be receiving, anywhere from 1 to 4 inches when all is said and done. We've been already seeing rain this morning across parts of the WCBI viewing area. Some of it has been heavy at times. We're getting a little bit of a break right now, but we're not getting a break from the gusty winds. We have been getting wind reports, even tropical storm force wind gusts reported down near Jackson. Right now we're just getting 20 to 30 mile per hour wind gusts here in North Mississippi and West Alabama, but we are expecting this to pick up a bit, especially heading into the late morning into the afternoon as the center of circulation continues to near the WCBI viewing area. Rain chances, I'm going for the full 100% chance for today. The cloud cover and the rain will keep those temperatures only in the mid to upper 70s for highs today. Those wind gusts could be anywhere from 30 upwards to 40, maybe 50 miles per hour in some spots. Now, the good news is the level 2 risk of severe weather has pushed off to the east away from us, but we're still under a level 1. So we're not out of the woods completely with the severe weather threat for today. Again, we're going to be watching very closely for that chance of a quick spin-up tornado, a brief one. That is the one that we're going to be watching. But of course, we'll be watching for some gusty winds that could bring some brief power outages to some parts of the WCBI viewing area. We've already had some reports of that this morning on our Facebook page, and we'll still keep the flooding and heavy rain threat low, but our northern counties will have to watch that. So here's the breakdown of what we're thinking. Early this morning, this is going to be more of a rain breezy event for us. But then once we start getting that daytime heating going, that is when we are thinking we're going to start seeing those better chances for those brief isolated tornadoes. The highest odds of that could happen later on this afternoon. And then once the sun sets this evening, it's going to be more of a lingering light rain shower event. And of course, I know this is on many of your minds today. Alabama and Ole Miss are playing at 6:30 this evening in Oxford, and you'll need to have that umbrella with you if you are heading out to the games, as we're expecting those rain chances to continue heading into tonight. Temperatures more or less will be in the 60s. So here's the latest breakdown of your hour-by-hour forecast of what we're thinking is going to happen heading into your Saturday. Again, we're going to get some of those rain bands heading into the late morning and into the afternoon. Again, some of these rain bands could have some heavy downpours, gusty winds, and maybe that chance of a brief spin-up isolated tornado. All the activity should be out of here by this evening, and then we'll just be dealing with some lingering light rain showers heading into the overnight hours. By Sunday morning, the center remnant low of Delta should be out of here, and we'll be dealing with just some cloudy skies and some rain chances heading into our Sunday. Heading into Monday, we are finally going to see some more quiet weather return to the forecast. And then a cold front should push through on Tuesday, maybe bringing us a slight chance of rain. Temperatures will cool back down into the 80s next week after we top out at 87 on Monday. But then next Friday, it is sure going to be feeling like fall again, as temperatures will cool back down to the 70s. I'll be here throughout the morning. Chief Meteorologist Keith Gibson, Meteorologist Trevor Burchett will be here through the afternoon to keep you updated on any watches or warnings that come in. Please keep it tuned to WCBI on air, online, and on social media for the latest weather information. And make sure you have a way today to stay weather aware in case of any watches or warnings come in. Please stay tuned.